In the earlier lecture, we had seen how there are different types of soil. Now we talk about soil texture. Soil texture is the quality of the soil depending upon the different particles present in them. Soil contains particles of different sizes. The texture of the soil is determined by the proportion of the particles of various sizes in it. Following are the types of soil on the basis of its texture. You can see sandy soil, silt soil, clay soil. Soil contains particles of different sizes because of which we get different types of soils. Now this you can see is a sandy soil. The texture of the soil is determined by the proportion of the particles of various sizes in it. You can see in the picture there are three different types of soil: sandy soil, silt soil, clay soil. Based on the different sizes of their particles, they are classified as above. Sandy soil. You can see the proportion of sand, that is the large particles, is high in sandy soil. Water drains rapidly through sandy soil. It is easy to plow this soil. That means this soil is a very good soil for the purpose of cultivation in agriculture. But it is less fertile. Less number of nutrients are present. This is because the particles of sandy soil are made up of mineral called silicon dioxide. Silicon dioxide is also known as quartz. These particles do not dissolve in water, and therefore soil has very little capacity to supply nutrients. You can see here that the sandy soil has large particles. Therefore water drains easily, easy to plow, but less fertile because of silicon dioxide, also known as quartz. Silicon dioxide, also known as quartz, because it doesn't allow the water, the nutrients, to dissolve properly in the soil. So it has a very little capacity to supply nutrients. Now you see silt soil. These particles of silt soil are of medium size. Silt soil is not as plowable as sandy soil. You can see here the particles are of medium size and they are not as plowable as the sandy soil. However, it is much more plowable than clay soil, meaning this is a medium quality of soil. This soil contains large proportion of organic materials. Organic materials are those materials which are carbon related nutrients. Its capacity to supply nutrients is much greater. Silt soil is also called sedimentary soil. You can see the organic materials in the diagram, the humus, cow dung. All these are the organic materials present in the silt soil. because of which it helps to supply nutrients more easily, and due to these remains it is also called as sedimentary soil. Its capacity to supply nutrients is greater because it has P phosphorus, Ca calcium, nitrogen, all these nutrients. It is enriched with these nutrients, magnesium, potassium, sulfur. These greater nutrients are present. It is enriched. That is why it is much more plowable than clay soil and also known as sedimentary soil. Clay soil, in this soil the proportion of small particles is maximum. The particles of clay soil feel so smooth to touch. Clay soil has high water holding capacity.